Okay, a couple people have asked me how to create a filter to put all of your emails into one spot since we're getting lots of emails from students. Um, and so I'm just going to show you how to do this in your Gmail right now. I created a filter right here that says students, so if I click on this, all of my student emails show up here, and it's really simple to do, and it's helped me filter out kind of a lot of different stuff really easily. So if you go to your inbox and you click on the settings wheel or gear right here, and then go to settings on the drop down menu, your page should look like this. In order to create this filter, you need to go to filters and blocked addresses. And then you will want to create a new filter. Right in the center of your page, there should be a blue hyperlink here. Now, you can choose to do this for any type of filter that you want to create, but in order to filter all of your student emails, you want to type in at students.isd381.org, and then put your email address in here. Oops. Should show up. And then you can actually leave the rest of this completely blank and then hit create filter. Now, in order to get it all to go into this label that I have right here, I'm going to select skip the inbox and then apply the label, and you can create a new label, and then I just labeled this one students. You can label it whatever you would like and then hit create. Okay, so I'm going to say students too since I already have one. And that's all you have to do, and then you can just hit create filter. And it should show up here. If you need to edit it at all, you can go to this spot here. I'm going to go ahead and delete mine because I already had one created. Hopefully that is helpful.